Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. What if you could change anything inside a video? The people, the style, the background, even remove objects, all with AI in seconds. Not just swapping faces, but adding characters, changing outfits, removing distractions, or turning normal footage into a cinematic scene. This is exactly what PixVerse.ai's new Modify feature can do. And today, I'm going to show you multiple real-life use cases, from content creation to social media videos, using their latest AI models. Let's get started. Getting started first, click the link in the description and create your account. Once you log in, you will see the PixVerse dashboard. Here, you will find multiple AI video tools, but today we're going to focus on their powerful Modify feature. So I'll click on Modify and this will open the editing workspace. Setting up the video first, we need to choose the AI model. I'll select V5.5, which supports built-in audio generation, then upload the video clip you want to modify. Once the video is uploaded, you'll see multiple tools here: swap, add, remove, restyle. Each one solves a different creative problem. Let's explore them with real examples. First, let's try swap. A common use case is personal branding. For example, replacing a character in a stock clip with yourself. I'll select a person and upload my photo. Next, choose the resolution. I'll select 720p. Now I'll click Create. The AI starts processing. And here's the result.
You know what? You really need like a mic drop catchphrase after you do some cool shit.
I've been thinking about that. I was thinking, what about this? That's why you don't mess with electricity.
Catchphrases obviously aren't one of your superpowers.
And your phone's charged. Well, you think you can do better? What the hell?
Now, the original actor in the video has been replaced with my image, and the motion looks natural and realistic. This is perfect if you want to. Insert yourself into marketing clips. Create personalized content. Make engaging social media videos. Now, let's try something very practical. Remove. Sometimes you record a video, but there is something distracting in the background. For example, random people, unwanted objects, messy elements. I'll select the object in this clip and choose Remove. Click Generate. And just like that, the object disappears and the background is automatically reconstructed. This is incredibly useful for vloggers, marketing videos, product videos. Now let's move to AI video feature their latest model, V5.6. This model focuses on higher realism, stronger motion understanding, and better scene generation. Let me show you two real use cases. First example, creating a cinematic short video for social media. I'll select Model V5.6. Length, resolution, click Generate. After processing, here's the result. The lighting, camera movement, and atmosphere look extremely cinematic. This is perfect for TikTok content, YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels. So overall, PixVerse.ai gives you a complete AI video toolkit. With the Modify feature, you can swap people or objects, add new elements into scenes, remove unwanted distractions, restyle videos with new visual aesthetics, and with V5.6, you can generate cinematic AI videos from scratch. Plus, the templates feature makes it incredibly easy to create viral-style content in seconds. If you want to try PixVerse yourself, I've added the link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.